We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
And I hate Joseph Lin. I gotta say that in Hakka. It's that time of the year where there's a lot of year-end banquets here in the Chinese culture. And it's a time for company will have a year-end banquet, inviting all their employees to have a nice dinner, even invite celebrities over to sing for you and drink.A lot of drinking is done. This is the only time when you can drink with your boss and you won't get into trouble. So Alice, this is the time of the year. 这个时候呢，刚好是很多公司呢在办尾牙的时候了哦。那或许是因为你赚大钱了，然后就是大家一起要这个庆祝一下嘛，对不对？
快樂要飲酒。
没错，要啉酒，要喝酒。你应该也很喜歡尾牙吧？
懂好哦。
懂好。
不過飲酒要記得
啊。
年中米雅啉酒的時節，
要
三大嘅原則。
哦，你是要叫我說要記得喝酒要小心的3件事情，是不是？
錯。第一，少量才安全。
少量才安全。我什麼意思？
就是少量才安全。
哦，
唔好啉太多啦。
All right, so Alice is giving you 3 advices right here, okay? First, at a year-end banquet, if you're drinking, number 1, drink in moderation, okay?
第一，
第二，
唔好恐怖。啉酒，
唔好恐怖
啉酒，
啉酒，唔好空腹。Oh, okay. The second thing that she wants you to watch out is don't drink with an empty stomach. All right. 好，
第三，莫啉酒的時節要飲茶。莫啉酒要飲茶。
哦，這樣子不好嗎？
錯啊。
有聽說好像喝酒喝茶加在一起啊。馬上喝的話會手抖，對不對？對。So don't drink alcohol and tea at the same time. They actually don't work together, and your body will start to trouble a little bit.
唔過我想最好係飲酒的時間唔好試茶。
飲酒的時間唔好試茶。喝酒的時候不要喝茶嗎？
試茶，
剛講過了。
試茶
哦，試茶不是喝茶啦，
試茶
啉茶才是，
對不對？
哦，試茶是什麼？
試茶開車。
哦，開車，好像有教過嘛。哦，開車不喝酒，喝酒不開車嘛。Don't drink and drive. That is very important. We have to say that. OK， 再講一次最後這句。
啉酒的時間唔好試茶。
啉酒的時間唔好試茶。Don't drink and drive. Okay, that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.